morning everyone. So today we're in Udaipur, one of the most popular places to visit here in Rajasthan. Once again I'm starting on a rooftop like many of the other videos. I think it's always a good place to start the video with some nice views. So pretty cool views from our building. We're in one of the main locations here in Udaipur. You can see we got the lake back there, many lakes around here. And then just like everywhere else in India, it's just a ton of buildings, hotels, houses everywhere. So we explored a little bit yesterday when we arrived, and this place looked really beautiful. One of the most beautiful places we've been to so far in India. So I'm really looking forward to showing you more. And it's actually Diwali today, a very special day for Hindus. It's a big celebration where people put lights everywhere to celebrate. So I'm not sure how that's going to be, but yeah, probably a part of this video is going to be showing you the people celebrating Diwali. So yeah, that should be really cool. Anyway, gonna head out now and explore. Come to a rooftop spot to have lunch, and I'll be able to show you here how beautiful Udaipur is. So you can see from this rooftop we've got an awesome view. Udaipur is very green, and as I mentioned before, it's full of rivers and lakes. And then on this side you can see there's more buildings. The buildings are right on the edge of the river. This is actually man-made, not natural, but very beautiful spot. And we've come to some pretty hippie spot. Check this out, nice and colourful. Got one of the gods there, I think that's Ganesh. And this is called Chirag Rooftop Restaurant if you're interested. And I just ordered a tandoori paneer, a new dish, 160. So we're just going on a little walk now. We've come down to the bridge that you saw earlier. So we were eating at that pink restaurant there on the rooftop. And then around you can see there's loads of cool little cafes and spots to eat right on the river. Not that expensive either. So people also call this place the Venice of the East because you have the rivers. And yeah, I can definitely see why it has that name. So we found a cool, relaxing spot at the lakeside. So here you have the famous hotel, the Lake Palace, I think it's called. And then back there in the distance on the other side is the City Palace. I'm not sure which one of the buildings, but you can see just loads of amazing buildings there. We might head over there in a while. And pretty much all around here you have buildings that just look like palaces everywhere. All these hotels. So I read that a lot of the hotels around here were actually royal residences, so they are actually palaces, but then they converted them into hotels. So yeah, if you can afford to stay in some of these hotels around here, you're literally going to be spending the night in a royal palace. So yeah, that would be amazing, I guess. entered the city palace now. Huge complex. Goes all the way down there. And it was 300 rupees to enter. So yeah, not bad at all. I read that this was constructed sometime in the 1500s, but it's been built over 400 years. So different rulers have contributed to it. So I guess you're gonna see different areas from, yeah, different times. So right now we just walked through this epic gate here. And look at that for a building right there. So here we have a timeline of all the different rulers that contributed to this city palace. So they're all called Maharanas. But if you look here, there's just so many of them. Yeah, don't go to any palaces on a public holiday. This is crazy. But check this part out now. So this is the courtyard that we entered. And got some great views there at the back. Pretty beautiful this part, right?
Yeah, amazing with the tiles.
Yeah, all the ceramics. Check this out for another cool room, the blue room. So there's literally just so many beautiful rooms here. They're all different colors, different designs, everything. Got some behind me here. And then in front of me you got another courtyard. You can see on that wall, awesome designs. Amazing. Got one big family there, I think. So it's almost sunset time. We come to a spot here in front of this Haveli. Bagori Ki Haveli. Looks pretty nice. Got this giant gate here. And right now people are already putting candles into the river. Seems to be a pretty popular spot for people to hang out. We came here yesterday and there's still a bunch of people. You can see more candles over there as well. Probably at night time they'll put a lot more. Still very peaceful here though. I wonder if we'll have a sunset like yesterday.
I don't think so.
Yesterday was bright red, right?
Yeah, it was amazing.
It's always like that. When I don't film, we get awesome sunsets. And when I film, it's just lame. So we didn't get the sunset, but at night this place looks awesome. You have that lake palace there, lit up. All the other hotels lit up. Sky looks actually quite nice. And then down here you got the incense sticks. So that smells great right now. 2 of them. So we found a cool spot to sit here with a bunch of other tourists. We're just overlooking all the locals putting the candles into the water. So we've been here probably about an hour just watching them. Pretty nice, right?
Yeah, it's nice to see them doing their religious thing. Very nice and peaceful for us. Just watching is enough.
Like I said before, in Udaipur, and right now it's just so relaxing, really nice. And I think you read that they do this because it symbolizes like victory. Was it like the victory of light over darkness?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's what Diwali symbolizes.
And the candles and the fireworks, everything that is light, all the lights.
Yeah, I read on Wikipedia it's like good over evil, knowledge over ignorance. So yeah, it's all of that. And I think it also marks the Hindu New Year on the Hindu calendar. Something like that. That's what I read. You Indians will know more than me, but yeah, like I said, just a nice experience either way. Carol, what happened to the relaxation? Now it's party time. Jesus Christ. That was nuts. So we're now just walking around. You can see everything's lit up here in the city. Just lights everywhere. Looks pretty cool. Check this street out here. How cool does that look? I think the lights go all the way down, right?
Yeah.
Non-stop lights. Guys, so there's literally like a queue that goes on for 10 minutes just to go into this temple here. Crazy. Hello. Nice to meet you. Now we have some extra safe fireworks going on. Fireworks in the middle of a busy street with motorbikes passing by every second. I think they're trying to kill people. So back where I started the video, on the rooftop of our hotel, got the fireworks show. So we've got great view of the sky here. Probably the best view of the fireworks so far. Seems to be a party going on in the next building. Pretty cool. I think I'm gonna end this video now. I basically have no more eardrums. The fireworks in India are insanely loud, and yeah, it's been so many fireworks. Definitely Diwali is nuts. Probably crazier than I expected, that's for sure. I didn't really know what to expect. Udaipur is awesome as well. Hopefully you can hear me with all this banging going on. I'm not sure, but yeah, had a great day and a great time, and thanks for watching. Drop a like on this video, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and we'll see you in the next one.